Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, love tackling projects around the house, or just enjoy having the latest gear, I've got something for everyone on this list. These tools range from innovative gadgets that make everyday tasks easier to powerful equipment that'll have you wondering how you ever lived without them. So, get ready to add a few new favorites to your toolbox, and let's jump right into the 10 coolest tools you need to see. But first, take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know first when we post new content. Global Industrial 4-in-1 Portable Workbench. The Global Industrial 4-in-1 Portable Workbench is a versatile tool designed to enhance productivity and organization in various work settings, from garages and workshops to job sites. As the name suggests, this workbench provides 4 distinct functions in a single portable unit: workbench, sawhorse, dolly, and scaffold. By combining 4 tools into one, it reduces the need for multiple individual tools. Easy to switch between functions, allowing users to stay focused and efficient. Ideal for DIYers, carpenters, construction professionals, or hobbyists needing a multipurpose, mobile workstation. Lightweight but sturdy, with foldable legs and wheels, this workbench can be moved and set up easily, making it ideal for remote job sites or locations without permanent workstations. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Pipe Threader. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Pipe Threader is a powerful and efficient tool designed to make pipe threading fast, easy, and portable. Weighing less than traditional corded pipe threaders, the M18 Compact Pipe Threader is easy to carry around job sites, making it especially useful in tight or remote locations. Allows for faster, safer threading in both compact and large job sites. Ideal for plumbing, electrical, and HVAC professionals who frequently move between work locations. The Auto Stop and One Key features offer both safety and customization options that streamline the threading process. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Pipe Threader is designed to bring powerful, cordless efficiency to professional pipe threading tasks, providing a safer, smarter, and more convenient alternative to traditional threaders. OX Pro Claw Bar. The OX Pro Claw Bar is a high-quality tool designed for heavy-duty demolition, prying, and extraction tasks. Known for its durable build and ergonomic design, the OX Pro Claw Bar is ideal for professionals in construction, carpentry, and renovation, as well as DIY enthusiasts tackling tough projects. The claw is designed with a precise angle, which makes it easier to get underneath nails, fasteners, and other materials for effective leverage and easy removal. It provides excellent prying force, which is particularly useful for pulling embedded nails and dismantling materials. The flat end of the claw bar doubles as a chisel, useful for jobs that require scraping or lifting surfaces with precision. Suitable for a range of tasks, including removing nails, prying boards, and separating materials. The angled claw and chisel tip allow for efficient leverage and reduced strain, making challenging jobs easier. Roller Cleaner. The Marshalltown Roller Cleaner is a specialized tool designed to keep paint rollers clean and reusable. Known for its sturdy construction and efficient design, it's ideal for both professional painters and DIY enthusiasts who want to prolong the life of their paint rollers and reduce waste. Designed to remove excess paint from roller covers, the Marshalltown Roller Cleaner helps ensure that rollers can be reused multiple times without clogging or drying out with paint residue. The cleaner is compatible with most standard roller sizes, making it versatile for various painting projects. By cleaning and reusing rollers, painters save on the costs of buying new rollers for each project. Proper cleaning extends the lifespan of paint rollers, keeping them in good condition for longer and improving their performance. Unger Universal Bulb Changing Kit. The Unger Universal Bulb Changing Kit is a versatile toolset designed to make changing light bulbs safe and easy, especially for hard-to-reach fixtures. Ideal for homeowners, facility managers, and maintenance professionals, this kit allows users to replace various types of bulbs without the need for a ladder. The kit includes multiple attachments for different bulb types, including standard, floodlight, and recessed bulbs. This versatility allows it to work with most common light bulbs found in homes and commercial spaces. The Unger kit comes with a telescopic pole that can extend up to 11 feet, allowing users to reach high ceilings, vaulted spaces, and outdoor fixtures with ease. This extension range is ideal for most indoor and outdoor light fixtures. Each bulb changing attachment has a soft, rubberized grip that securely holds the bulb, reducing the chance of slippage or breakage during installation or removal. Format Folding Spotlight. The Format Folding Spotlight is a compact, versatile lighting tool designed for convenience and functionality in both professional and personal settings. This folding spotlight is built to provide a powerful beam in low-light environments, making it ideal for tasks like repair work, construction projects, camping, and emergency situations. The Format Spotlight is designed to fold into a compact shape, making it easy to carry, store, and position as needed. Its folding mechanism allows it to be propped up at various angles, providing adjustable lighting for different tasks. Equipped with powerful LEDs, this spotlight delivers bright illumination that covers a wide area, making it effective in dark or dimly lit spaces. Whether you're working in a dark corner or navigating the outdoors, this spotlight provides both convenience and clarity in a compact package. TerraPump TerraPlunge. The TerraPump TerraPlunge high-pressure air plunger pump is a unique tool designed to clear clogs in drains, pipes, and toilets quickly and efficiently using high-pressure air. Unlike traditional plungers, the TerraPlunge relies on controlled air blasts to dislodge blockages, making it highly effective for tougher clogs. The TerraPlunge is built to release a powerful burst of compressed air that targets and dislodges clogs instantly. This high-pressure functionality is especially helpful for stubborn blockages in toilets, sinks, bathtubs, and drains. An excellent choice for those who prefer chemical-free solutions for home maintenance. With its high-pressure power and interchangeable nozzles, this tool makes clearing clogs fast, easy, and cost-effective, without needing harsh chemicals or excessive manual effort. Digital Angle Finder. The Digital Angle Finder is a precision tool used to measure angles accurately, making it invaluable in fields such as carpentry, construction, engineering, and home improvement. It combines digital technology with traditional angle measurement, providing easy-to-read, highly accurate results. The Digital Angle Finder features a clear, backlit digital display that shows the measured angle instantly. This allows for quick, precise reading without the need for manual calculations. A locking function is included to securely hold the measurement angle, allowing users to transfer the angle accurately from one location to another. It can be used for a wide range of projects, from setting up saw blades to measuring the pitch of a roof, and for all kinds of DIY tasks or professional applications. Useful for measuring angles in construction tasks such as framing, installing trim, and measuring slopes. Optima Chisel Plane. The Optima Chisel Plane is a specialized hand tool designed for woodworkers, furniture makers, and carpenters who require precise, flush surfaces. This tool combines the functionality of a chisel with the stability and control of a plane, allowing users to remove material right up to the edge of a workpiece with greater accuracy and ease than a standard chisel. Its small, streamlined shape allows it to reach tight spaces and tricky angles, making it perfect for detailed and confined work areas, such as corners or along edges. A comfortable, ergonomic handle provides better control, allowing users to achieve smooth, consistent cuts with minimal effort. With a chisel plane, users can work quickly and accurately, avoiding repetitive back and forth with traditional chisels. Great for home improvement projects that involve fine-tuning or detail work on wood. Rothenberger Deburrer. The Rothenberger Deburrer is a hand tool designed to quickly and efficiently remove burrs and rough edges from pipes and other materials, ensuring smooth surfaces for safe handling, proper fitting, and optimal flow. Ideal for plumbing, HVAC, and other pipe fitting applications, the Rothenberger Deburrer provides an ergonomic, user-friendly solution for deburring a variety of materials, including copper, aluminum, plastic, and steel. The deburrer features a contoured handle, providing a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Essential for preparing pipes before installation to ensure proper fittings and avoid leaks. For professionals and DIYers working with piping and metalwork, it's an essential addition that ensures quality finishes, safety, and efficiency. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.